The idea that the universe is constantly communicating with us is both fascinating and empowering. Every moment it provides subtle guidance that helps align us with our desires and goals. But this guidance is often overlooked because it doesn't come in obvious or direct ways. Instead, the universe speaks through signs, patterns, and situations that require us to pay attention and interpret their meaning. These signs act as a compass, leading us toward the outcomes we wish to create in our lives. Understanding that this communication exists is the first step to recognizing its presence. It's not about seeking out signs or trying to force a connection, but about becoming aware of what is happening around and within us. When we shift our perspective and start noticing these indicators, they reveal the support that has always been there. The universe is not separate from us. It operates in harmony with our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. By observing these signs, we gain reassurance that our desires are being acknowledged and that the support we need is available. The universe has its own way of speaking, a language that goes beyond words or spoken communication. It uses the world around us as a medium to convey its messages. This language is subtle and requires awareness to interpret. It manifests in ways that may seem random or coincidental, but often carry significant meaning. For example, recurring events or a sudden sense of clarity during quiet moments are indications that something greater is at play. The universe's language is deeply connected to energy and alignment. Everything we think, feel, and focus on emits a frequency, and the universe responds to this frequency by sending experiences and signs that match it. When we focus on positive, clear intentions, the universe mirrors that clarity back to us. The same applies when we focus on doubt or fear, but recognizing the signs of guidance can help shift our focus back to trust and confidence. To fully understand this language, we must become intentional about the way we perceive our surroundings and internal state. Instead of dismissing experiences as mere coincidence, we can begin to explore their potential meaning. This doesn't mean overanalyzing every detail, but learning to trust the subtle nudges that point us toward clarity. These signals often emerge in the form of patterns, timing, and intuitive feelings, which act as reminders that the path we are on is not random but purposeful. One of the most powerful ways the universe communicates is through synchronicities. These are instances where events align in ways that seem too meaningful to be random. They can appear as patterns, repeated occurrences, or situations that feel perfectly timed. These moments often arise when we are deeply focused on a specific desire or intention, reflecting that our thoughts and energy are in harmony with the path ahead. Synchronicities are not coincidences. They are markers showing that everything is aligning in your favor. They provide reassurance that you are moving in the right direction and that your intentions are being acknowledged. These signs are a reminder to remain attentive and confident in the process. By noticing these moments, you strengthen your connection to the energy that is guiding you, allowing the path forward to unfold naturally. Synchronicities hold significant importance because they act as confirmation that the universe is actively supporting you. They show that your focus, energy, and intentions are creating a ripple effect drawing experiences into your reality that match your desires. These occurrences often feel like a gentle nudge, encouraging you to trust the process and maintain faith in the steps you are taking. When synchronicities appear, they bring a sense of clarity and motivation. They eliminate doubts and provide the confidence needed to keep moving forward. Recognizing these moments fosters a deeper sense of trust in yourself and the process. They signal that the energy around you is shifting and aligning to make space for your goals. Paying attention to synchronicities allows you to stay connected with your intentions and remain open to the guidance being provided. Another clear indication that the universe is supporting you comes in the form of unexpected opportunities. These opportunities often arrive without warning and may seem unrelated to your immediate goals. However, they hold significant value as they create pathways that align with what you desire. These moments may appear as new possibilities or as shifts in your current circumstances, offering you a chance to move closer to your intentions. These opportunities are not accidental. They are a result of the energy you have been focusing on. The universe works in ways that often go beyond what we can predict or control, delivering what is needed at the right time. Recognizing these opportunities requires an open mind and the ability to trust the process, even when the path forward is not entirely clear. They are signs that things are moving into place, even if the steps may not seem immediately obvious. Responding to these opportunities is just as important as recognizing them. The first step is to remain aware and grounded, avoiding dismissing these moments as unimportant. Reflect on how these opportunities align with your current intentions and whether they can contribute to your overall goals. Acting on them with confidence is key, as hesitation can sometimes create unnecessary delays. Taking small steps to explore these opportunities can lead to significant progress. The universe often delivers what you need in pieces, trusting that you will follow the guidance being provided. By taking action, you signal that you are ready to align with what has been set in motion. It is also essential to express gratitude during this process, as it amplifies your connection with the support you are receiving and allows more opportunities to flow into your life. Another sign that the universe is helping you is the experience of emotional alignment. This occurs when your feelings reflect a state of harmony with your desires. You may feel a sense of peace, joy, or certainty about the path you are on. These emotions are not random. They are an indication that your energy and intentions are in sync with what you want to manifest. Emotional alignment serves as a guiding force, showing you that you are attuned to the energy needed to attract your goals. When you experience this state, it confirms that you are aligned with the support being offered. It is a natural signal that you are creating the right conditions for your desires to materialize. Paying attention to these feelings can help you stay focused and motivated even when external circumstances appear unchanged. To maintain emotional alignment, it is important to nurture your mindset and energy. Focusing on positive thoughts and surrounding yourself with uplifting influences can help sustain this state. Practices such as visualization and affirmations can also support emotional alignment by keeping your attention on your goals and reinforcing a sense of connection to them. Consistency is key in strengthening this alignment. When you notice feelings of doubt or negativity, redirecting your focus can help restore balance. Gratitude is a powerful tool for maintaining emotional alignment as it shifts your perspective toward the positive aspects of your current situation. By staying connected to these emotions, you allow the support from the universe to flow more freely, guiding you toward the fulfillment of your desires. Trusting the process is a crucial aspect of recognizing and receiving the signs that the universe is helping you. When you set intentions and align your energy, there may still be moments of uncertainty. This is natural, but trusting that the signs you are seeing are part of a larger plan can help you maintain focus. Doubts can often cloud your ability to recognize these signs, so maintaining trust allows you to stay open and receptive. Trusting the process involves letting go of the need to control every outcome. When you resist the urge to force things to happen, you allow the universe to work in ways that may be beyond your current understanding. This trust is not passive, it is an active acknowledgement that everything is unfolding in alignment with your energy and intentions. Staying consistent in your focus and belief reinforces the flow of support that the universe is offering. Patience is closely connected to trust and plays a significant role in recognizing the signs of universal support. While the signs you receive may provide clarity and guidance, the outcomes tied to them may not be immediate. Patience allows you to stay grounded and focused, giving the process the time it needs to align with your intentions. Practicing patience does not mean waiting passively. It means continuing to take thoughtful steps toward your goals while trusting that the signs you're seeing are part of the progress. This balance of trust and patience creates an environment where the universe can support you fully. By staying consistent in your efforts and aware of the signs, you allow the process to unfold naturally, leading to the fulfillment of your desires. The universe is always communicating, offering guidance through synchronicities, opportunities, and emotional alignment. By staying aware, trusting the process, and taking aligned action, you can create a life that reflects your deepest desires. Remember, these signs are here to remind you that you are never alone in your journey. The universe is working with you every step of the way. Thank you for taking the time to explore these insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating content that inspires and uplifts. Feel free to leave a comment sharing your experiences with signs from the universe. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.